Hey guys, Chuck here, brand new vegan. Welcome to my family room slash gym. This used to be the music half of my family room. That is the family room part of the family room. This was for the music with the piano and the keyboard. We have some guitars, and now it's become my gym. I've been trying to include new ways to move, making it easier to not have any excuses, right, for not moving every day. I like to walk, but when it gets cold and rainy here in Oregon, I needed something for those cold and rainy months. So I bought this walking pad, and I've used it a lot, did a video on that. Then I bought this rebounder, which is kind of fun. I like the rebounder. But then this company called FED Fitness saw those videos, and they said, hey, would you like to try one of our ellipticals? And I said, sure, heck yeah. So just to be upfront and transparent, they did provide me this equipment. This is not a paid video, but they did provide the equipment. If this is something you end up interested in, I'll have a link down below, an affiliate link, so you can try it out. But between all of this equipment in here that I have now, how much have I used it? Any of them? Not much. Because it's summer here in Oregon and I'm outside. I'm doing gardening. I converted an old gardening bed. I got corn growing now. I've got tomatoes. I've got weeding. I've got all kinds of stuff to do outside. That's how I've been getting my movement every day. Plus, I started doing DDP Yoga again. So, yeah, I'm staying busy without using any fancy equipment. And you don't need fancy equipment to move more. You can walk. You can garden. That's what they do in the blue zones. But they do make it handy when it's cold and rainy outside. So, yeah, I've only been on this thing twice. I will tell you, it's very well made. It's very sturdy. It's not wobbly at all. And it's super, super quiet. I like the adjustment knob for tension right there. Yeah, I can see this becoming my go-to when it does start raining here. Super quiet. I also had my daughter come over and look at it. I call her a certified gym rat. She was going to the gym, so she knows her equipment. And she took one look at this. This is a Yosuda EM1, by the way. And she said, they sent you a good one. That's a good one. Because I guess the cheaper ones have some kind of rail system and they're really clunky and noisy and wobbly. And this one is not. It's super quiet. So she was very impressed. I'm impressed just by how sturdy it is. Now, when they send me the box, it's heavy. It takes two people to get this thing in the door and get it put together. And I got a quick little montage of me putting this thing together. But I did manage to build this myself, and it has wheels on the front, so it's easy to move around. It doesn't take up that much space. You can see it's right next to my walking pad. It's about the same length. It is a little bit higher. I think these are 8-foot ceilings. So yeah, I got plenty of room. The other thing I'm really impressed with, it runs on battery. The screen here, which shows you speed, distance, calories burned, stuff like that. It also has a built-in heart rate monitor if you grab these handles here, which is super cool. If you don't have a heart rate monitor for yourself or an Apple Watch like I do, you can get your heart rate here. And yeah, it runs on battery. So it only turns on when you get on. Then it turns off when you get off, which is kind of cool. The walking pad, you got to plug it in. So you got to have it close enough to an outlet that you can plug it in. What else do I like about this? takes up little space, very quiet, very sturdy, and seems like it's really well made. And the fact that my daughter liked it. So again, is this going to be my go-to come winter? I hope so. And I'm not doing a full review right now because it wouldn't be fair. I've only been on it a few times. But if it does become my go-to, I will definitely do a full review on it come winter when it's cold and rainy outside. Once again, I just want to thank FPD Fitness for sending me this to try out. And if you think this is something you'd like to check out yourself, I'll put a link down below. That's about all I got to say. Whether you use any of this equipment or not is besides the point. The point is to move. So whether you walk, dance in the kitchen, do yoga, Pilates, whatever, rebounder, walking pad, elliptical, the point is to move your body every day. And it's so beneficial for you. So I hope this stuff will make it easy to keep doing that come wintertime when it's cold, miserable, and rainy outside. That's the whole idea. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you're interested, I'll have a link down below, and thanks for watching.